Hi viewers, today we are going to see the expiry trade results. So morning by 12 o'clock we got a sell call, then after that we got a one buy call, after that we got a sell call. So let me see what are the results today. Morning that given a sell call around 19,346, the 285 point it went down. So we are going to take the 500 strike price away. So for analysis I have chosen 18,800 put. So here we can see 18,800. This candle we got a sell call. So mostly there is no need of waiting till the candle close. So within the candle it will give a sell call. Suppose for example if I taken at the close of the candle means, so close will be 14.50. So from there it went to the high of 33.65 rupees. So 12 o'clock close is 17 rupees 70 paisa. It went to the high of 45 rupees, more than a double. After that, in Bank Nifty by afternoon, it given a buy call. As I told earlier, there is no need of wait till the candle closes. When the histogram that is changing from red to green, immediately we can build the position. Even if I taken at the close of the candle, let me see how much momentum that has given. So here we can see the close of the candle is 19,256. So for analysis purpose, I have taken 19,500 call option. So this candle that given a buy call. So the closing price is 20.20 paisa. We can see within the next candle that went to a high of 31.80 paisa. Because I told you earlier, the buy will come not at the close, even at the middle of the candle, it will give the buy call. We can take buy at 15 rupees and we can exit at 31.80 paisa. After that, within about 5 candles after, we got a sell call at the bottom. So here we are considering only from buy to sell point and sell to buy point. In this candle, we got a sell call. So sell call time is 125. For that, I have taken 18,900 put for analysis. So let me see what had happened in the 18,900 put option. So here in the 18,900 put option, so on this candle we got a sell call. We can see in the bottom sell. So in the Bank Nifty sell means the put we have to take buy, correct? So that given a buy call around 22.55 paisa. From there it went to the high of 49 rupees. So if you are taken at 22 means the 49 mean already the position got doubled. So further I am going to discuss what are the exit points, right? So where you can exit your position. So you have taken the call buy and the put buy. So where you will cover the position. Number first point, you have to exit at 1:1. So minimum target should be 1:1. It means that suppose if you have taken 1000 lot, you can exit all the position at 1:1, or you can exit half of the percentage. Say for 50%, you are exiting at 1:1. So remaining 50 is free for you. Either you can carry the position for the full target or you can square off the position. So for initially, you can go with the 1:1 target. Suppose if you are taking 5 rupees, if you are getting the target of 10 rupees, exit the position. So later, when you are accumulating the profit, you are going for a partial booking. Say for 5 rupees, you have taken a quantity of 1000 lots. If the price is going 10 rupees, exit 500. So remaining 500, you can keep it for the full target. So full target means how we decide the full target. So here you have the bottom one exit indicator. So this is the histogram for exit. So in the top we have the red, bottom also red. So it means that the trend is confirmed, we are going for a buy. Then after that we can see there is a step down here. So once you find the step down or there is a change in signal, you can exit the position. If the step down means immediately on this candle close, you can exit the position. As per our first rule of exit, we have to exit full lot at 1:1 or you have to exit half a percentage on 1:1. Say for example, if you have exited 1:1, half a percentage, so remaining half, when you find the step down, you can cut the position. So same for the 18,800 put option also. If you are entered at 14 rupees, our double will be 30 rupees. So the high went 33 rupees. Either you can close all your positions or you can exit 50% of your position and you can wait with the remaining 50%. So here we can see the step down and there is a change in trend here. Here we can exit. If I have exited 50%, you can exit the 50% here. You can see the bottom again that is changing from green to red. Again you can rebuild the position here. If you rebuild the position at say 18 rupees, again our double price will be 36 rupees. If it reaching 36 means we can exit the position. We can see within few candles it has reached up to 42 rupees. So by 36 we can cover 50% or you can exit all your positions. Say for example, if you have exited 50% means when it's showing a step down, the bottom is showing a step down. On this candle close, you can cover all your positions. Because today is the market sideways. Even in the sideways, we can see all our position has given a good result.